You've been taking enough naps lately, right? You've been getting your rest, but still you feel drained, sluggish, and even forgetful. Sound familiar? Well, this happened to my neighbor Carol, a once healthy 68-year-old woman, until she found out the shocking truth. Carol was always the first one to tell you how great naps were. She'd nap every afternoon, thinking it was just a way to recharge. But then, something unexpected happened. She started feeling worse, not better. She was more tired than ever, struggled to focus, and even noticed her memory slipping. After a doctor's visit, Carol finally learned the truth. Those long naps she thought were helping were actually harming her health in ways she never expected. If you're in the same boat, napping but still feeling exhausted, stay with me. I'm about to share simple, game-changing fixes that will help you feel more energetic and boost your health, without any complicated routines or expensive supplements. And trust me, they're easier than you think. If this sounds like something you need, hit that like button, subscribe for more life-changing tips, and share this video with anyone who could benefit. Let's get started. As we age, sleep becomes a bit trickier. One major reason for this is that our bodies produce less melatonin, the hormone that helps us fall asleep. With lower melatonin levels, many seniors have trouble sleeping at night, which leads to the need for naps during the day. But here's the catch. Long naps, especially later in the day, can actually make it harder to sleep at night, leaving you more tired the next day. On top of that, boredom and loneliness play a role. If you're spending a lot of time alone, especially at home, naps can seem like an easy way to pass the time. But while a nap might feel like a quick fix, it doesn't address the deeper issue of isolation or lack of stimulation, which only keeps the cycle going. Sound familiar? It's easy to fall into this pattern, but the good news is that there are simple changes you can make to break the cycle and feel more energized. Set a consistent nap schedule. I've noticed that consistency really helps. Just like your body gets used to going to bed at the same time every night, it can also get used to taking a nap at a regular time during the day. Carol found that by setting a routine, napping at the same time every afternoon, her body started to naturally adjust. It wasn't about napping all day, just about setting aside that time around 2 p.m., so she wasn't too late in the day and messing with her sleep. Try doing the same thing. Aim for that early afternoon nap, around 1 or 2 p.m. You don't need to force yourself to nap, but if your body naturally needs it, give it a scheduled time to rest. The body thrives on routine, and you'll notice how much better your energy stays through the evening. Studies, like the one from Sleep Medicine Reviews 2025, show that when you stick to a regular nap time, you help regulate your body's rhythm and improve sleep quality at night. That consistency makes a big difference in how you feel during the day. Stay active during the day. You might not think it, but staying active is a great way to keep those energy levels up. Carol was spending too much time sitting, and naturally her body started craving those long naps. But when she began moving around, walking around the house, gardening, or even doing light stretches, she found that her energy didn't dip as much in the afternoon, and she wasn't so quick to reach for a nap. You don't have to do anything extreme, just some gentle movement to keep your blood flowing. Even a 10 to 20-minute walk after lunch can make a big difference. It doesn't need to be a workout, but moving throughout the day helps keep you energized, and you'll find you need fewer naps. According to research from Aging and Mental Health 2025, even light physical activity improves your energy and can help reduce the need for naps. It's all about finding ways to move that feel good and fit naturally into your day. Get morning sunlight. Here's one that sounds simple, but it's really powerful: getting sunlight in the morning. Carol noticed when she started spending 15 to 30 minutes outside in the morning, her energy levels picked up. Not only did she feel more awake, but she also noticed her sleep at night improved. It was like her body got a reset, making it easier to stay alert during the day and sleep soundly at night. Sunlight helps reset your internal clock, and it doesn't take much. If you can, try to get outside for a bit, whether it's sitting on your porch, going for a short walk, or even just standing by a window where the light is coming in. That little boost of light does wonders for your circadian rhythm. Research from Frontiers in Medicine 2024 shows that morning sunlight helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle, making you more alert during the day and allowing you to sleep better at night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Good sleep at night can reduce your need for naps the next day. Carol learned that creating a relaxing bedtime routine really helped her wind down and get a better night's sleep. She started reading, taking a warm bath, and doing some light stretching before bed. That simple ritual helped her fall asleep more easily and stay asleep longer. A peaceful routine before bed can make a world of difference. Try turning off the TV, putting away your phone, and doing something soothing like reading, meditating, or stretching. That quiet time helps signal your body it's time to relax and prepares you for deep sleep. Sleep Medicine Reviews 2025 supports this. They found that having a consistent, relaxing routine before bed improves sleep quality and helps you sleep more soundly, reducing the need for naps. Eat balanced meals and stay hydrated. Your body needs good fuel to keep going, and Carol found that when she ate lighter, healthier meals and drank plenty of water, her energy improved. Big, heavy meals can make you feel sluggish and dehydration can leave you feeling tired. Carol started eating smaller meals, focusing on things like fish, nuts, fruits and vegetables and making sure she drank enough water. Those little changes made a huge difference. Try keeping your meals light, especially in the evening, and make sure you're staying hydrated. Instead of large, heavy meals, eat smaller meals with healthy options that give you steady energy. Drinking enough water also helps keep you alert throughout the day, making you less likely to feel sleepy. Research from AJCN 2023 found that eating lighter meals and staying hydrated helps keep your energy levels stable. It prevents the sluggish feeling that comes after heavy meals and reduces the need for naps. Get a pet. Did you know a pet can help you stay active and boost your mood? Carol's energy increased once she got a dog. She began walking him every day and spending time playing with him, which kept her moving and feeling engaged. Not only did the dog keep her active, but it also helped her sleep better at night, making it easier to wake up feeling rested and ready to go. Having a pet gives you motivation to get outside and stay active, and that can make a huge difference in your energy levels. Plus, pets are wonderful companions that can help reduce stress and keep your spirits up, making you feel less inclined to nap. According to Aging and Mental Health 2025, pets can help reduce feelings of loneliness and encourage movement, both of which improve your energy levels and reduce daytime sleepiness. Chat with grandkids or young folks. Sometimes, a simple chat with your grandkids or younger family members can do wonders for your energy. Carol found that when she spent time with her grandkids, it helped keep her mind sharp and less sleepy throughout the day. Having these meaningful interactions kept her mentally engaged, which in turn kept her more awake. Try chatting with younger folks, whether it's a grandchild, a neighbor, or a friend. It's a wonderful way to stay mentally sharp and engaged, and it'll help reduce that need for a nap. Sleep Medicine Reviews 2023 found that mental stimulation from social interactions can keep you sharp and reduce the need for naps. Engaging conversations can give your mind the exercise it needs to stay alert and active. Engage your mind with painting or puzzles. Sometimes, we don't realize how much our minds need a little workout. Carol found that when she started engaging in activities like painting or doing puzzles, her afternoons became a lot more enjoyable, and the need to nap faded. It turns out that keeping your mind active is just as important as keeping your body active. It doesn't have to be anything complicated, just 30 minutes of painting, solving a puzzle, or even knitting can keep your mind engaged and reduce the need for those long naps. It's not about taxing yourself but doing something that keeps your brain active and your focus sharp. A study published in the Journal of Gerontology 2024 found that spending just 30 minutes on activities like painting or puzzles can reduce daytime naps by up to 40%. Carol discovered this firsthand. Those little moments of creativity or mental challenge helped her stay awake and feel more engaged, leaving her with less of an urge to nap. But let's take it a step further. Not all activities are created equal when it comes to boosting energy and reducing fatigue. Here's where it's important to be mindful of the activities that drain you rather than energize you. If you're spending your afternoon scrolling endlessly through your phone or watching TV for hours, it might seem like a relaxing way to pass the time, but it can actually make you feel more sluggish. Why? Because passive activities like mindlessly scrolling through social media or binge-watching TV shows don't challenge your brain or keep it active in the way you need. Instead, these activities can tire you out by causing your mind to zone out or become overstimulated, and when you finally try to get up, you might feel more drained than ever. Carol found that when she cut back on passive activities like TV and social media, and replaced them with more engaging activities, she felt much more energized. The key is to avoid sinking into habits that leave you feeling mentally lazy, and instead choose activities that stimulate your brain and keep you focused. Instead of giving in to hours of screen time, try grabbing a puzzle, taking out your sketch pad, or even learning something new. These activities don't just help pass the time, they actively engage your brain, keep you sharp, and most importantly, reduce the need for those long, tiring naps. Remember, taking naps isn't bad, it's about making your naps work for you. By shortening naps, staying active, getting morning sunlight, and improving your sleep quality at night, you can break the cycle of daytime sleepiness and feel more energized throughout the day. Carol proved that with small changes, you can feel more awake, alert, and healthier. It's all about finding the right balance between rest, activity, and good sleep habits. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might need it. Together, we can all start living healthier, more energized lives.